Hello, Judd Brink with Minnesota Backyard Birds. We offer birdscaping, and today we are at a home in Pequot Lakes doing some birdscaping. Just take a look. There's my logo and stuff and phone number. Anyway, turn this around. There's my feeder. It's got some common redpolls and some chickadees coming to the feeder now. Made some changes to the feeder. Added a second baffle. And then I also wrapped the 4x4 post in hardware cloth to keep the squirrels from chewing on the post. Looks like our redpolls left. Anyway, oh, there's a couple redpolls in there. Anyway, this is my Chickadee Basic or Chickadee Cafe feeding station. Fly-through feeder on a 6-foot post with the double suet cages. The single baffle comes with it, and then also a base too. But there's some redpolls in the feeder now. Good year for redpolls. My house, I've got probably 250 of them, and I'll probably do some videos from my house over the weekend here. But this is a nice day, early February, 23 degrees, sunny day. The birds are out, pretty active. So we come out once a week, clean and refill the feeders, remove any snow and ice, make sure the birds have access to the feeders, make any necessary repairs and adjustments. But the most critical thing in any feeding program is the proper care, maintenance, and providing fresh, high-quality food. And that's what we do at Minnesota Backyard Birds. There's a chickadee. Well, this feeder is bird approved. Chickadee again, same one. So if I turn, let's see, if the sun be in the way or not, but if I get behind the sun here, bear with me here. Here's the other feeding station here. This is the Cardinal Classic feeding station, featuring recycled plastic, both the hopper and the tray made from recycled milk containers. A little different. This feeder's on a pole. It's got a different baffle. Still got the double suet cages. But both feeding stations are pretty unique, as they are both active and attractive. And with our care and clean service, we make sure the feeders stay active and attractive with our weekly service. And that's what I'm doing today. Actually, I'm out a second time this week to make the adjustments in the other feeder there with that double baffle and other things like that to make it the best I can for my customers and for my birds. But here we got a whole, well, not a whole tree full, but we got several redpolls in the tree here. Hopefully they'll come to feeder. Nuthatch just came into the tree here. A couple chickadees. But anyway, my name is Judd Brink, owner of Minnesota Backyard Birds. We offer birdscaping, helping you attract and enjoy more birds with our active and attractive bird feeders, and our weekly care and clean service to make sure your feeders stay active and attractive, and for you to attract the most birds. And we didn't talk much about seed today, but I can tell you what you buy and where you buy makes a huge difference in both the number and variety of birds you can attract.